In this video, we're going to cover the major passes of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, North India and Peninsular India. So let's begin with major passes of J&K and Ladakh. Babusar Pass, located on the Gilgit-Baltistan region of Ladakh, connects Ladakh with Pakistan. It is the highest point in the Kagan Valley. Purchil Pass, an ancient pass and caravan route connecting Gilgit with Srinagar and Skardu through Deosai Plateau. River Aster originates from western slopes of this pass. It lies close to the line of control. Pir Panjal Pass, it lies to the west of Srinagar and situated in Pir Panjal range of J&K. Hirpora is the nearest town. The old imperial road, which was constructed by Mughal, passes through it. Panihal Pass, situated in the Doda district of J&K in Pir Panjal range and connects the Kashmir Valley with Jammu. The literal meaning of Panihal is blizzard. Zojila Pass, situated at an altitude of 3,850 meters in Greater Himalayas and connects the valley of Kashmir with Kargil and Leh. Srinagar Zojila Pass road has been declared as NH10. Jorhat Pass, located at Ladakh range, it is also known as Hanu Pass. Saser Pass, it is a high mountain pass in Ladakh, located on the ancient summer caravan route from Leh in Ladakh to Yarkand in Tarim Basin, to the northwest of the Nubra Valley and also southeast of the Sachin Glacier. It is one of the most dangerous passes of the Himalayan system. Aghil Pass, it is a high mountain pass of the Himalayan system located in Ladakh. It is a very dangerous pass as there are unpredictable snowstorms. It is closed during the winters and is covered by thick snow and ice. Karakoram Pass, it is located in Ladakh between India and China in the Karakoram range. Karakoram literally means black gravel. It is on the ancient caravan route between Leh in Ladakh and Yarkand in the Tarim Basin. It is a barren land. This is due to the climatic condition of this region. Changla, it is a high mountain pass of the Himalayan system situated in Ladakh and it is a route to Pangong So Lake from Leh. It is the main gateway for the Changthang Plateau. It is one of the highest motorable passes of the world. Other passes in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are: first, Kilik Dawan Pass, second, Mintaka Pass, third, Parpik Pass, fourth, Khunjerab Pass, fifth, Marpo Pass, sixth, Shaksgam Pass, seventh, Karathak Pass, eighth, Yangidwar Pass, ninth, Kuzildan Pass, 10th, Lanakla Pass, 11th, Konela Pass, 12th, Cape Sengla Pass, 13th, Dimjorla Pass, 14th, Zarala Pass, 15th, Chartingla Pass, 16th, Lemisla Pass, 17th, Umasila Pass. Major passes of Himachal Pradesh. Shipkila, it is a mountain pass and border post on the Indo-China border and India's third border pass for trade with China after Nathula in Sikkim and Lipu Lake in Uttarakhand. Through the NH22, it joins Himachal Pradesh with Tibet. Ransola or Ranisola Pass. It is situated at the Indo-China border in Himachal Pradesh and river Satluj passes through it. Rohtang Pass. It is a high mountain pass on the eastern Pirpanjal range of the Himalayas. It is 51 km from Manali and connects the Kullu Valley with Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh. Lies on the watershed between Chenab and Beas basins. Beas River emerges underground on the southern side of this pass and flows southward, and Chandra River emerges on the northern side. It is also famous for the sulfur springs and Bhrigu Lake. Baralachala. It is a high mountain pass in Janskar range connecting Lahaul district in Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh. It is situated along the Leh-Manali highway. Other passes in Himachal Pradesh are Sach Pass, second Khimokil Pass. Major passes of Uttarakhand. Thagala. It is a mountain pass in Garhwal Himalayas in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand near Indo-Tibetan boundary. It is the source of the river Janvi, which is the longest feeder of the Bhagirathi river. Mulingla. It is situated to the north of Gangotri Glacier and connects the Uttarakhand state with Tibet. Mana Pass. It is also known as Chirbitya or Dungrila, located in Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve at the eastern terminus of Janskar range. Situated in Uttarakhand, the pass contains Tyota Lake, from which the Saraswati River, a tributary of the Alaknanda River, originates. Niti Pass. It is situated in Garhwal Himalayas connecting India and Tibet, located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Lipu Lake Pass. It is connecting the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand in Pittorgarh district in India with old Tibetan trading town of Taklakot in China. The Mansarovar Yatra, the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, a Hindu pilgrimage to Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar, traverses through this pass. Lipu Lake is open for cross-border trade every year from June through September. Other passes in Uttarakhand are first Sengchokla Pass, second Dharma Pass, third Lampia Pass, fourth Mongsha Pass. Major passes of Northeast India. Chalepla. It is a high mountain pass between India and Tibet in East Sikkim district of Sikkim. Chalepla means the lovely level pass. The famous Menmencho lake lies below the Chalepla Pass. On the Indian side, two routes, one through Gangtok and other through Kalimpong, leads to this pass. Nathula. It is situated in East Sikkim district of Sikkim state and connects Sikkim with Tibet and has several sinking zones, and part of it are prone to landslides. It is one of the highest motorable passes of the world. Nathula is one of the three trading border posts between China and India, the other two being Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh and Lipu Lake, Uttarakhand. It was sealed by India after 1962 Sino-Indian War and was reopened in 2006. Bumla. It is located in the western part of Arunachal Pradesh and also connects Tawang region in Arunachal Pradesh with Tibet. Bomtila. It is located in the western part of Arunachal Pradesh in Lesser Himalayas and connects the Tawang Valley to Assam. Tulungla. It is a pass of the Himachal Assam Himalayas connecting the Tawang region in Arunachal Pradesh with Tibet. Teju Pass. Located in eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Lohit River enters Assam plains through this pass from Mishmi Hills. Other passes in northeast India: Sela Pass, Lampia Pass, Dipu Pass, Kumjwang Pass, Hapunga Pass, Chaukan Pass, Pangsau Pass. Major passes in peninsular India: Goran Ghat, Goram Ghat Pass. It lies in Rajsamand district of Rajasthan in Aravalli range, connecting Pali and Jodhpur district on one side and Bhilwara and Rajsamand district on the other side of Rajasthan, through which rail and road routes pass. Thalghat, located in Thane district of Maharashtra. It is also known as the Kasara Ghat. It connects Bhopal and Indore in Madhya Pradesh to Nashik and Mumbai in Maharashtra. The National Highway 3 and the Burhanpur Mumbai rail link traverse through this pass. The river Godavari has its source near to this ghat. It was an important trade route in the past and was one of the three main ghats developed by the Satavahanas for sending their goods to Syria and Egypt. Malshej Ghat Pass, located in Pune district of the Maharashtra near Kalsubai Peak. It is a pass of the Sahyadris. It connects Kalyan with Pune. Bhor Ghat Pass. It is located in Raigad district of Maharashtra. It is a pass of the Sahyadris and connects Mumbai with Pune. The NH4 and Mumbai-Pune rail link pass through this pass. It is one of the three passes for motor vehicles travelling from Mumbai to the Deccan Plateau. The Thal Ghat in the north, the Malshej Ghat in the middle, and the Bhor Ghat in the south. Palghat Pass. It is a 30 to 40 kilometer wide low pass in the western Ghats near Palakkad town in Kerala. It is also known as Palakkad Gap. It acts as a corridor between the two states by linking Palakkad district of Kerala with Coimbatore district to Tamil Nadu. The NH47 and the Chennai Ernakulam rail link joining Kerala to Tamil Nadu pass through this gap. The Bharta Puja river originates in the Palakkad Gap. The gap is important to the climate of southern India so that it allows the moisture-laden southwest monsoon winds into Coimbatore region. Shengotai Pass, located at Tamil Nadu-Kerala border. It connects Kollam in Kerala with Madurai in Tamil Nadu. It is a gap between Cardamom Hills. The Kutralam Falls is near this pass. It is also known as Red Fort.